Let's talk about the literary device, appeal to authority. When I was in primary school, I had a friend, Alex, who believed anything his parents told him. He would say things like, "Louis Eriksson is the best hockey player in the world because my dad said so." Alex believed his dad was the ultimate authority on everything. Maybe Louis Eriksson really was the greatest hockey player, but did I trust Alex's dad's opinion? Adults make similar kinds of arguments. For example, you should wear this cologne because Brad Pitt or some other celebrity said it's the best. Celebrities are usually no experts on colognes, but because they're famous, people might be convinced by what they say about certain things. Appeals to authority can mislead, but they can also be made more convincing if substantiated with further detail. Dr. Willington states that e-cigarettes are helping smokers quit and saving millions of lives and untold healthcare dollars. Because this statement comes from a doctor, we are more likely to believe it. Dr. Willington, a prominent researcher at the University of Glasgow, states that e-cigarettes are helping smokers quit and saving lives and dollars. Now, because this statement comes from a doctor who is also a prominent researcher at a university, we're a lot more likely to believe it. Dr. Willington, a prominent researcher, has provided data that proves e-cigarettes are helping smokers quit and saving lives and dollars. Now, there is mention of specific data to back up Dr. Willington's argument. This argument is far sturdier now, as it combines mention of an authority on a subject with the promise of forthcoming empirical evidence.